you guys doing? It's the Boss Star One back with another one. You know, today I'm gonna be doing a review of, can you guys guess what? The 360 Jeezy, the brush. You know what I mean? And you know, I seen there's some other videos out there. You know, people did they videos and stuff. But today I'm gonna be telling you guys my honest opinion on it and how I feel about the brush. I'll be doing a little brush session with it. Probably not real long, but just a little short brush session with it, just so I can tell you guys how it feels on my head. But it says it's a medium soft. From what I can see, like as you guys can see, I haven't even opened the packaging yet. So you guys are gonna be the first ones to witness it. I wanted to wait on you guys, so I haven't opened it or anything, you know. But I like the way the packaging looks. It looks real nice. Got a little gold on the front with a little gray and red. It's 360 Jeezy. It's kind of how it looks. Gold and a little gray. And you know, I'm gonna read on the back what it says as well. You know, I can see 360 Jeezy. He's a man of faith. So because I see it's talking about the Lord, and you know that's something that I believe as well. You know, so on the back it says 360 Jeezy is known for his 360 crown and energetic personality. January 12, 2013 is when he uploaded his first YouTube video titled "How to Cut Your 360 Waves." Through his hard work, knowledge, and consistency, he has become well known in the hair industry. Now, with over 3.2 million subscribers and over 500 million views on YouTube, winning many awards for his 360 wave pattern just wasn't enough. As he obtains knowledge, works hard, and grows in his experiences, he's also able to help others in many different ways beyond just waves, motivating and inspiring others of all nationalities and age groups. It's become more than just a brand he's built. It's more so about affecting lives in a positive way. It's safe to say, without God, none of this would have been possible. He can do all things through Christ who strengthens him. And that's a verse in the Bible. You know, and like I said, I really like that part when people tell about God and their faith, you know, and acknowledge him that it talks about in the Bible. Acknowledge him in everything that you do. So I like that part. And it says, to each and everyone that purchases this product, understand that it takes hard work, dedication, motivation, and consistency to achieve whatever it is you want. Nothing happens overnight, but when you work hard, you get great results. And I feel like that's good for me to hear that part. You know, I got to understand that I got to put in the work, because it's not just going to happen, you know, and that's for any entrepreneur. I believe it's a lot to it, you know, so that's just going to have to be something that I use as my motivation and something to push myself, you know. So, and it says at the very bottom, Uncle Kev, we made it. So 360 Jeezy, I mean, if you happen to even see this video, man, you know, shout out to you, man. You know, I appreciate you for showing love to our Father in heaven. And, you know, we're about to open this box up and see what we think about it. So here we go. Okay, here we go. So let's see. All right, now that we got it out of there, box feels real smooth box. So I like the way that it's pretty smooth box. You know, this box is honestly, this is worth keeping right here. This is one of them brush boxes. You know, I'll probably keep this, you know. I'll probably keep this brush box. I like it. You know, a lot of these other things we just happen to throw it away, but I think this is something worth keeping, you know. So let's try to get it out of here. Oh, okay, it just looks like it opens up just like this. They got a certificate of authenticity.
I'm sorry.
Guys, I'll probably keep that in there. I can't pronounce that word right. Authenticity. So you guys know what I'm trying to say, you know. And it says, in God we trust, Philippians 4:13. Amen. It says hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. You go. 360 Jeezy. So that's that. You got a little card thing in there. And then let's open it up. So you guys, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Let's take it out. See what we think about it. So, from what I can see, it says medium soft. In my personal opinion, just from me feeling the brush, I kind of feel like it's soft, more of a soft brush. But compared to the medium soft, because you know I have a medium soft Toronto Pro brush, and I feel like that's more of a medium soft. But I guess they're all different though. But this kind of feels like a soft brush, but I guess I'll be able to tell you more when I put it on my head, what I really think about it. I'm gonna take that part off the packaging. And then he got his name, you know, ingrained in the brush, 360 Jeezy. You know, and I'll spin it around for you guys a little bit, kind of show you guys. And then from what I could see from, you know, he had reviewed his own brush, you know, I could tell, you know, that's the part for the crown, you know, so it's kind of easier to get in the crown areas. That's why they got that little thin part right there. So, and now I guess I'll go on a brush session. But I'm going to tell you guys, my hair may be a little damp because today I'm kind of batch filming. And, you know, I just did another video. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But you guys subscribe to my channel. You guys just stay tuned, and I'm about to get ready to go on a brush session for you guys. So I'm gonna try to get my mirror together so I can see what I'm doing, you guys. So here we go. Like I said, my hair will be a little damp because I am batch filming. So let's try to get this mirror together. Self-cut system, you guys. If you guys don't got the self-cut system, go check that out. Go check out the self-cut system. But I'm gonna do a little unrag, you guys. And you guys tell me what you think. Like I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I've been slacking on my brushing. So y'all be honest with me. If my waves boating or if they're not the best, I mean, let me know. Like Boss Star, man, you gotta get on it, man. You can't be slacking. If you're gonna do this wave thing, you gotta take it serious, man. Cause there's wavers out there, they brushing 24/7. But that's kind of just what my hair looks like. And like I told you guys, it may be a little damp, and it honestly is. Like it's definitely still a little damp. I just put some water in my hair and stuff, so it's definitely still a little damp, but I'm gonna go on a little brush session and tell you guys what I think. Okay, so from me brushing, you guys, like I said, from what I could feel with my hand, like when I did this, you know, like I said, I felt like it was a soft when I did that. But now that I'm actually brushing my hair with it, I definitely feel like it's a soft brush. And honestly, I feel like with the soft brushes, that's kind of just good to use on fresh cuts, you know, when you have the soft brush. But you know, I could still use it to distribute like oils throughout my head and stuff, and I would still use it because it's still good. Soft brushes are still good to lay down frizz and stuff like that, you guys. So I'm not saying don't get it because it's a soft brush, but you know, it's good to lay down frizz and stuff like that. I still like the brush though. But I'll brush a little bit more for you guys, a couple more minutes. Like I said, I mean the length of the brush, I like the length of the brush. You know, it has a pretty good length, pause. But I like the length of the brush. You know, it covers the whole head when you brush, you know, the area that you want to get. Let me try to see if I can get the back here. Hope you guys still see me. Okay. And let's see how this works for the crown. I had to get another mirror. My crown ain't even looking all that, to be honest. I would say I got a little swirl pattern, a little bit, or a beehive or whatever. I mean, I like the way, like I said, I really like the design on that. You know, like I said, you got that one little part where you can just attack the crown area. And you guys, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get back on brushing my hair like I used to when I first started my waves. Sometimes you get your waves in there and you start slacking, and you definitely can tell. Kind of get that right side a little bit. I ain't gonna lie though, I mean, I like the brush, but like I said, it's a soft brush. So if you guys are gonna be thinking you're gonna be getting a brush that's it's a soft medium or medium hard or whatever. What was it again? I forgot what it said. That's a medium soft. Then I would just say it's more of a soft brush. But I still would say try it out, you guys. Personally, it's still a good brush. I'll just brush for a little bit more for you guys. You guys can kind of just watch it. And as you guys can see, some of the bristles are kind of coming out, but that happens with every new brush. You're gonna lose a few little bristles. All right, and I'll get the left side. I'm gonna flip it around too. You can flip it around so you don't want to wear out one side of the brush too much. Kind of attack my left side a little bit now. see. It's kind of hard for me to see, guys. Hold on, I'm trying to get myself. Okay. And always mirror brush, you guys, unless you really know your pattern by heart, because that's a way for you to develop forks. I'm sure a lot of you wavers, you already know that. People that are really in the wave game, they already know. But if you're not mirror brushing, you're gonna be getting some forks. And I'm struggling, guys. I'm trying to get this mirror right. Okay, that's better. All right, so I think that's enough brushing. I feel like it's a good brush personally. You know what I mean? Just know you're gonna pay a pretty penny for this brush. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, but you know, like I said, I feel like it's worth the investment. You know, and I support what Jeezy does, especially when he talks about the Lord. Like you said, you know, if you're talking about God, you know, I'm always for that. So, I mean, I feel like personally, just because he threw the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ in there, I gotta give this brush a 10. You know that. Plus, I like the way that the design is. You know, in the brush, like I said, you got for the crown area, you got that part on both sides too. And you know, it's like I said, it covers the whole head. But like I said, it is a soft brush, you guys. I wouldn't say it's a medium soft. I would say it's more of a soft brush, personally, in my opinion. But you guys may have a different opinion, you know. But I love you guys. God bless you guys, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm out of here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.